See, there has been a lot of people, a lot of filmmakers at the cinemas now. They have been complaining. I want you to complain. Oríṣiríṣi wọ́n sabotage films àwọn ní cinema. Táwọn èèyàn bá ti wá wo films àwọn wọn kì í jẹ́ wọn fún wọn ní ticket on time. Wọ́n máa sọ fún wọn pé wọ́n ti sold out. Kán lọ wo fíìmù kan, kán máa wo fíìmù kan ló dáa, fíìmù kan ni ò dáa. Then a lot of people has been saying gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn èèyàn ń sọ ìgbà wo pé Funke Akindele ni àwọn èèyàn ń sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Then some people actually said, okay, even Funke Akindele, same thing is happening to Funke Akindele's movie too at the cinema. Then something came to my mind. I said, Funke Akindele, so far she has made 1.1 billion naira at the cinemas with the movie Behind the Scene. Something came to my mind. I said, what people don't know is that the secret behind Funke Akindele's success is the fact that she has been building that reputation of producing good movies for the past 20 years. If you remember Etainu in the year 2005, I am telling you, if you remember Taiwo, if you remember, all these movies, Omo Ghetto, Jennifer, all those, on YouTube, she has given us, that belief that she will never miss, and she has not been missing. Anytime she comes with a movie, forget it. That movie is never gonna be a waste of time. You will watch it and you will love it. Funke Akindele has been building that reputation. You can't just wake up in the morning and say you are going to the cinemas. When people don't even know what you are about, àwọn èèyàn mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣe when it comes to production. See, when you are a fantastic actor, does not mean that you are going to be a fantastic, producer. These things, they are two different things. There is a big line. You understand? You could be a very, very fantastic actor. You can be a very bad producer. Yes, because film production is on another level aside from acting. So don't feel like, they don't know me now. Want him on me now. Forget. If I come with the movie like this, they will accept it. For where? Someone like Funke Akindele, she has given us She Must Be Obeyed. She has given us Everybody Loves Jennifer. She has given us Omo Ghetto Saga. She has given us, look at what she did with Jennifer, that franchise. She gave us 1, 2, 3, part 1, part 2, part 3 on YouTube back then. Fantastic storylines. I am telling you, you will never watch a single part and say, what a waste of time. You will never do that. She has been able to give us all these fantastic movies, even at the cinemas, on Netflix, on Prime Amazon. So anytime Funke Akindele is taking a movie to the cinema, all other film producers, they are going to have big problems, because I wouldn't want to say 99.9% of the cinema goers will see Funke Akindele movie first before seeing any other person's movie. I won't say that, but a better percent of the movie goers, once they get to the cinema, they will go and watch Funke Akindele movies first before watching any other person's movie. You know why? Because Funke Akindele has built that reputation of producing good movies for the past 20 years, and she has been consistent about that. Another thing I want to tell you about some of the secrets, some of the rudiments of Funke Akindele's success is the fact that, aside from story writing, because a lot of producers, they will feel like, okay, I don't really need that good story. Once I give them the glamour, I bring in the star power, people that have the star power, like influencers, I'll bring in content creators that have millions of followers online. People will watch the movie now. No be me. Now me now. No, it's not you. Now God. See, now the thing is, after the first thing in a film production is the storyline. Your storyline has to be authentic. It has to be tech. Your storyline has to be airtight. Story gbọ́dọ̀ dùn. That's the first thing. Once you are done with your story is on point, 100%, then you now go to the casting. Casting is another ball game entirely, because when you put the wrong person on the right cast, you will not get the right result. I can get it straight, For each character in that script, you have to bring in the best, the best hand, the best. You have to put your best foot forward. Yes. If you are bringing a comedian to play a serious, character in your movie, you have to make sure you put the right person on each character in your movie. It's very, very important. This one cannot forget. This one you have to come correct. Yes, that is what a lot of people are getting wrong. A lot of film producers, they are getting it wrong. Once they feel like, okay, this guy is having millions of people. I have seen, okay, let us put into contest. Everybody loves Jennifer. When I was watching that movie, then it got to a point. That guy that played that babe, that Toyo baby's husband, that guy he was not that popular as at that time they shot that movie. I am telling you, that guy was not that big. Yes, if it were some other producers, they would have brought in someone very, very big, someone very, very famous. But Funke Akindele brought that guy because she knew that guy would deliver. What did that guy do? That guy delivered. Funke Akindele does not joke with her casting. So a lot of things, Funke Akindele, she will put a lot of things, a lot of resources, a lot of intellectual resources into her film production. So kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ bá yẹn ó máa hard gan. And if Funke Akindele is playing a particular character in a movie, a particular lead role in the movie, gbàgbé, she will deliver. A lot of producers, they will feel like, okay, because I'm the owner of the movie now, maybe I'm the one bankrolling the movie, I have to play the lead role. There are some lead roles that does not fit the producers, that the producers are forcing themselves to play because they are the one, producing the movie. I'm the producer of the movie, and so we don't care. We just want to watch a good movie with a good storyline. You understand? So another thing you have to put into perspective is Funke Akindele doesn't do me. Mm-mm. If you pay attention to her craft, you will notice that Funke Akindele, she's always bringing people. She's always bringing a lot of people to work with. But some people, they are so selfish that they want to be the producer, they want to be the director, they want to be the soundtrack artist, they want to be the alpha and omega on that production. It's not possible. You can't. So that is why a lot of people are getting it wrong. Some people, they do not have any reputation about good movies. Some people, some producers, some let me say some actors, we know them, but they are not good. They are not good producers. They don't have that reputation. You watch tí ya film, tí rí film wẹ́rí pé ẹni yóò ti ya film yìí film yẹn dùn gan ó ti produce èmi tún ti ń bọ̀. Then we will now be waiting that ọmọ film yẹn máa make sense because film tó bá ń ṣe máa make sense. Early in the morning, you just go to the location, you can't shoot. Àwọn ọmọ ló máa wò because people don't trust you to be a good producer. You have to build that reputation. It has to start from somewhere. Ibìkan ló máa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kàn dédé jí láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ kan kò ní fẹ́ ṣe movie. People don't trust you. They know you quite alright. Okay, actor ni very fantastic actor. Fine. What if tí o bá kí n ṣe good film producer ńkọ́? Yes, gbogbo àwọn factor yìí, you have to put them into consideration before hitting that location. Make sure you let them know. Produce movies, maybe by putting some movies on YouTube, on your page. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé ó máa ń ṣe fíìmù gidi. Má kàn dédé jí kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe cinema film kó wá lọ sí cinema kó wá máa sọ pé kìíní kan kó wá máa rojọ́. Because people we believe taste board wa ó ti high when it comes to filmmaking. Filmmaking in Nigeria, taste board àwọn èèyàn ti high. Gone are those days. You will just bring one movie because there are not film ngbà yẹn ò pọ̀. Gone are those days. Tó bá kàn ti mú fíìmù kan wá ní choice. That's about the only movie tó wà. So gbogbo wa máa lọ wò ní choice. But nísìn taste board àwọn èèyàn ti yàtọ̀ ó ti high. Tí fíìmù ò bá da ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. There was this film that they brought on Netflix recently. That movie, I was paying attention to when they were giving us the promo that the movie will be released so date. I was waiting. But I was skeptical. But when the movie came back, I saw the movie, mo was seeing come episode kg. I was like, oh my god, what's this? Guess what? I went online. The same review, tí mo review fún rárá mi nínú yàrá mi. Only everybody in online. Pé what nonsense? Come on, I won't mention that the title of that movie now. You get, you don't go be like say, this guy they spoil people job. No, but what I'm saying is that you don't just wake up one morning and go to the cinemas without having a good reputation of producing good movies first. That is very, very key. Then to bá jẹ́ producer tán ti mú ẹ fún rubbish, don't expect to go to the cinemas and expect people to watch it. I am telling you, Funke Akindele has made over 1.1 billion naira now at the box office with behind the scene. I'm telling you, kò sí secret kankan tó wà ńbẹ̀ ju wípé Funke Akindele àti mọ̀ pé kò kí ń miss. So 90% of the cinema goers will watch Funke Akindele movie first before your own movie. Eléyìí kì í ṣe tètè bọ́ọ̀lì, kò kí ń ṣe tẹnu. Kudos to Funke Akindele. Kudos to all these fantastic movie producers in Nigeria. Talking about, let us give kudos to Kemi Adetiba. You know, look at how to kill a monkey. Mo Abudu, from the Caliphate to Blood Sister to Baby Farm. All these fantastic movies. Look at The Party. Look at that movie. Fantastic storylines. You don't just come to the cinema thinking, I mean now. No be you. The movie about that, we no go watch am. Forget. That is just the truth, because the taste board of people is very, very high now. So, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ, ẹ̀yin tèmi. Jeff Owolewa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. Hello.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.